Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Vanessa from the HyperSKU marketing team. Today we are going to start a new series of video. As a reliable dropshipping agent, we've been thinking about what values we can bring to our clients. True values means it's durable, useful, accurate, and representative. So we are going to start from what we are most familiar with. How to build a dropshipping niche store and how to manage your supply chain. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to build a fashion niche store. When selling online, knowing what and where consumers are buying are essential to all dropshippers. You don't want to set up a shop at a flea market and realize that you are in the wrong parking lot, right? So we pick fashion niche out of Amazon's top 10 because fashion niche is also one of the most popular evergreen niche. So if you want to build a fashion niche store or you want some suggestions to optimize, just keep watching. Our reasons for choosing the fashion niche can be summed up as 4 points. The first one, it has a longer life cycle. The second one is easier to build a brand. The third one, it has more stable orders and repurchase. And the last one, it has a wider audience. And now let's build an online fashion business together. In this section, I will list the most common issues that we must consider from a supply chain perspective. We have learned that the most common and easiest way for fashion dropshippers to build product catalog is to choose item in a scenic and scenic directly from AliExpress. The method looks like very fast and easy, while there are tons of problems. First one, there is no unified standard. As we mentioned many times, AliExpress sellers are not equal to manufacturers, so they have a variety of products and cover a wide range of styles, but because there is no unified supplier, the products they provide have different tags and sizes. This will also lead to after-sale problems, and which will hurt your brand reputations, and surely will lead to huge waste. The second problem is that the store style will be chaotic. When searching on AliExpress, one keyword turns out tons of mixed results. How could you not get distractions and find items that perfectly match your brand style? The third problem, there is a higher risk of out of stock. Because AliExpress sellers, their products comes from different suppliers, it's easy to be out of stock. AliExpress sellers will not reverse stock for you. If the product is sold out, it's sold out. No, they will inform you when the product will go back to stock, or it is already removed permanently. The fourth problem is that packaging and the hanging tag, inconsistent text and Chinese characters, and on the outer packaging are common problems for dropshippers who are sourcing from AliExpress. It will significantly reduce your brand image. You may have encountered the problem that we just mentioned, or maybe not, but don't worry, the HyperSKU team has corresponding solutions for each question. HyperSKU connects with only vetted factories. We manage our supply chain with a high standard of capacity, product updating frequency, product quality. So all the items that we offer basically have the same standard, which means precise size, same packaging, and same wash tag. And all the mature factory have their own product catalog with clear style for you to choose from. And here are some questions that you can ask to your current supplier. You can ask about their factory certification and do they have a unified production standard, whether they update products by series, do they offer the service of repackaging or baking bundles? And you can also ask their MOQ requirements for customized washing tag or hanging tag. Now you find a reliable supplier. What's next? How we get more orders? In this section, we will also list the common problems that during selling and the problems that you can ask to your current suppliers. The most common problems that we are facing during the selling parts can be divided into 3 parts. First, the after-sale services and the inventory issues and the selling strategies. Like we mentioned, a fashion niche can increase brand loyalty and also encourage higher buying rates. Brand loyalty based on good impressions about your products and the services. Clean and clear product page with detailed information. Good quality and great after-buy services. Sometimes wrong treat-off after-buy services issues might kill your brand reputations. That's why we should take it seriously. The most common after-buy services problems for a fashion niche store should be the size problems, the actual product is different from the picture, poor quality, or just because the product is not as expected. For that, HyperSKU offers supportive return policies and professional customer services to reduce the risk. During the peak season, there tend to have many inventory issues, whether lack of inventory or overstocking. Wrong sales estimate or the slow sale of certain products will lead to overstocking and affect the cash flow. In response to these common problems, our team will assist in getting a reasonable stocking and reduce your risk. Also, you can try to sell the products in bundles. We used to help our clients to create bundles and to reduce their overstocking products and reach a higher sales. Sounds great, right? And that is not complicated at all. The HyperSKU system supports various promotional activities like setting discounts or creating bundles. What's more, our warehouse can do that for you, like creating bundles. We can create bundles for specific items as you need. These methods might not solve all the inventory problems, but they can definitely be helpful and help to activate your cash flow. Now you've started a sale and have built your customer service system. What's the next? What we can do to help the business go better? Branding, yes. It would be so fantastic to own a fashion brand, which means continuously rebuy and higher profits. We know some fashion store relies on unique tastes, some relies on their rich styles or simply attractive prices. So there are many ways to grow your brand. Besides the memorable logo, wonderful interface designs, and impression brand stories, there's much more we can do from supply chain management. Firstly, define your fashion style. Some dropshippers tend to directly scenic products from AliExpress. That is fast and effective, I admit, while it would also make your fashion store look like a second-hand hypermarket. Secondly, build your brand image step by step. Here are the different levels of customizations that we offer: thank you card, brand stickers, customized package, hang tag, and wash tag, and products with logo. And no matter which level you are now at, I can help. If you are interested to our private label services, you can visit our channel. You can check our channel. There is a dedicated video that introduces our dropshipping branding strategies and our customization services. Your brand image is essential in establish and develop a brand. It is even more necessary to have the ability to continuously update and enrich the products and maintain the vitality of your brand. Okay, now let's do a recap. In this video, we talked about how to build a supply chain for a fashion niche dropshipping store. We listed the problems that fashion dropshippers need to consider and avoid when choosing suppliers to work with. Some issues about after sale to reduce the inventory risks, branding strategies, and how HyperSKU services could help. We covered much ground about supply chain management in this video, so please feel free to hit the like button and share with your friend if you find it helpful. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please feel free to leave a comment and I will go back to every one of you. Supply management is a long way to go for all the business owners, and we will try our best to bring more values to. On top of this, we will talk about the following topics in this series: how we simplify the domestic shipping process and offer a faster delivery. It's cheaper the better while sourcing, and the high-risk dropshipping items that you should avoid. Okay, that's all. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next one. Bye bye.